So guys, today we are going to talk about internal linking and automation in internal linking. So internal linking is also known as internal hyperlinks. That is the practice of linking one page to another page of a website. So it's kind of different from external link, and basically most of the SEO people I saw, they do it manually. Many of them use some of the paid tools like Scribbing Frog. They're a bit costly, but I prefer using free tools that I build for myself. So, how it works? Let's say how it works first. So, internal linking is about creating a connection between two pieces of content. Like it can be a blog page to blog page connection, it can be a service page to blog page connection. We need to make it a meaningful segment of pages where we use anchor text to help navigate the search engines as well as the end users to go to our page and navigate through different pages and get the right information for their query. So the basic purpose is a search engine optimization, like feeding the user needs in simple terms. So what are the benefits first? Let's say, like, it helps guide users to find relevant content, keeping them engaged, and that helps reduce bounce rates of a website in most of the cases. And in many instances, like enhancing the ACO means how Google Google bot finds your website helpful. Internal linking has a like huge proportion of favorism, like kind of thing. You gain more importance on search engines, like it's kind of a navigating menu that uh, helps find content relevant to the main pillar content and which are linked to each other. So these are basically for readers. Okay, so most of the cases we use internal linking for blog pages. So I'm going to show you a use case of blog page at this time. So what you're seeing in this code panel, this is the Python code I have written, and I have used Selenium and headless Chrome to implement the whole process basically. So Selenium and that headless Chrome parses the HTML, and beautiful soap I have used for navigating through the text content and scrap the content. So what we need right here, we need a sitemap. Like every website has a sitemap, we know, and that sitemap.xml file has the whole lot directory of pages. And for now, we are going to concentrate on the blog pages only. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste a sitemap. That's a random website I have taken, like that sitemap.xml. Here I have written, and I will be providing a two queries and two pages as a reference. So this is the first page as reference. So I am putting here in the URL one, you can see. So and the second page I'll be also providing, like, let's see this one. Okay. So I'm putting URL 2 here. So we'll be finding you internal linking opportunities for these two pages here. So first of all, here let's write acrylic signages, and let's write inquiry to acrylic sign board, and for the same digital signages, and for the query 2 I'll be writing here digital display, let's say display. So what I provided the sitemap.xml. This code will find internal link opportunities for these four queries regarding these two pages, and it will only navigate through the blog pages of the website. If you don't want to navigate through the blog pages, if you want the whole website to crawl for internal linking opportunities and find relevant pages to your needs, so you can just put a hashtag in front and it will be commented. So the this section of code, like 26 number line, will not be working. So for this example, I'll be providing only the block page scenario. So what I will do, I'll be opening a new terminal here. So here's a new terminal, you can see, and the directory here is pcc user slash user. So we need to change the directory first. So here is your directory. You can find here I have saved all the codes, and I forgot to say you that there is a link suggestions.txt I have mentioned here. You can find it right here. Like I have mentioned the page sheet name where the data will where the code will execute and paste data will be link suggestions.txt. If you want to change the file name, you can. That's based on your choice. So what I need to do is just copy the file path and just here type cd, not here right now, one second, cd space second colon, paste the data and stop the colon. So I am right here in uh, the file path rank data. So what I'll do, I'll just execute the code as python space. My file name is in.py. You need to know that in.py is my code, and I am going to click it right here and just press enter. So this has started executing, like scrolling the page blog, and it will navigate through every blog page in the website and find you the most suitable opportunities for internal link. So let the code run in the background and let me tell you a few points. Like most of the cases, what happens, I have seen so many SEO guys in my life. So I've not been in this field for so many years. It's only 3.5 years, but I have seen people uh, searching for tools like Steering Frog. That's a paid tool we can use for internal linking opportunities. This also works how I made the script. Like we need to mention the page and the text that we want to find in other pages so that it can execute, and so you can see the script is already working. Hmm. Let's wait a few moments and we'll get back. So you can see that the code is executed and the link suggestions is pasted in the text file what I have mentioned before. So let us open the text file, and you can see that the source file is mentioned here, the anchor is mentioned here, and where the target page is mentioned here, the context is also mentioned here. So where we can link, like here is a digital signage mentioned, so we can link here. Like right here in the next block, you can see digital signage here. So digital displays here. So it is a whole lot of thing, like what you can do through the script. So we can make it according to your needs. Like if you want to make it like helpful for finding pages in your whole website, we can do that. It's possible. If you want to make it useful for your kind of blog pages, we can do that. So what we need to do is to mention the sitemap of the website. We need to mention the links of the pages we want to anchor and the text we want to anchor. So it will find relevant text on the website and it will feed you with the exact data. Like if you go to the source page, you will find the digital display is already mentioned there. So there's a win-win opportunity. That's a totally free tool. If you want to customize it and make it more look more realistic, if you want to make it work far better, we can do that. So what you need to do for now is use this script. It's in the description below. And as per my suggestion, it is perfect for any SEO agency, any blogger who want to find internal linking opportunities for their website, or any small business who have a set of pages and looking for internal linking opportunities, but thinking about paid tools to do that or doing it manually. So I'll be directing you to use this script. So how to use that, how to install everything, you can just comment below. I'll be providing you a one-to-one session about installation. I don't provide any services first of all. I just here to give you the knowledge and give you the script where you can execute your internal linking of opportunities for free with no cost involved. So let me be transparent in the beginning. So you can use that script. You can go for your preferred choice and you can find internal linking opportunities for your website, whether it's a blog page or something else. So there are many other tools you can find, but I prefer this type of thing, and this is a basic script I've made for you. If you want more advanced script or something, you can just write a comment